With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
The given question is arrange the following compounds in increasing order of rate of reaction towards nucleophilic substitution reaction. So before we find out the perfect increasing order, let us first briefly discuss about the nucleophilic substitution reactions. Both alkyl halides as well as aryl halides undergo nucleophilic substitution reaction due to the presence of a polar carbon halogen bond. In general, aryl halides are very much less reactive than alkyl halides due to the resonance effect as well as the polarity of this carbon halogen bond. Moreover, the presence of an electron withdrawing group like nitro group in the aryl halides increase the reactivity towards nucleophilic substitution reaction, whereas the presence of an electron releasing group like methyl group decrease the reactivity towards the nucleophilic substitution reactions. This activation by electron withdrawing group and deactivation by electron releasing group is observed particularly when these groups are either present at ortho position or at a para positions. Now in the given compounds, in the third compound, two methyl groups which are deactivating groups are present at ortho and para position. So this aryl halide will be least reactive. Then this para chlorotoluene, there is a one electron releasing group which is methyl group present at the para position. So this aryl halide will be less reactive than chlorobenzene. Therefore, the perfect increasing order of these aryl halides towards nucleophilic substitution reaction will be the chlorobenzene, in which there is no electron releasing group, will be most reactive. Then second, which is a parachlorotoluene, in which there is one methyl group. Then the third one, 2,4 dimethylchlorobenzene, in which there are two electron releasing group, will be least reactive. So this is the perfect increasing order of the different given aryl halides towards nucleophilic substitution reactions.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.